I have a nariyal, a piece of coconut every day in the morning. So you'll always find coconut in my fridge. I love gorging on fruits, especially middle of the night जब hunger pangs होते हैं. एक craving के लिए dark chocolate किसी एक कोने में छुपी हुई पड़ी होती है मेरे फ्रिज में. Hi everyone, this is Tulsi Kumar and today I'll be telling you all what all can you find in my fridge. I begin my day with a glass of warm water, जो फ्रिज से नहीं लेती मैं. But I have a nariyal, a piece of coconut every day in the morning. So you'll always find coconut in my fridge. Another thing is I eat avocados for breakfast. Avocado toast. So there will be avocados in my fridge. Another thing that I cannot do without is something sweet. So you will always find dark chocolate and a tub of ice cream, जो मैं बहुत rarely खाती हूँ. But हाँ, मेरी वो एक craving के लिए dark chocolate किसी एक कोने में छुपी हुई पड़ी होती है मेरे फ्रिज में. और जब बहुत ज़्यादा craving होती है, then I reach out and get that. Other than that, there are basic things like leftover food जो कि एक दिन पहले का है, या फिर if I'm eating out, any food that I get back, so you'll find that. But yeah, these are the basics that you'll always find in my fridge, along with some fruits because I love gorging on fruits, especially middle of the night जब hunger pangs होते हैं, and if I'm eating an early dinner, so that's where I reach out to my fruits. So yeah, all of that in my fridge.